Alright, y'all. Back with this tractor, the never-ending saga of this tractor. I've said it 1,000 times. I love having a little tractor, but this thing has more problems than it's worth. When this thing was made, it was, I think, 2015. They should have had the technology and the capability to make things last a lot better, but they were making things with plastic that should be metal. They were making switches that were just the chinkiest things in the world. And what went bad this time, this is the new one. I gotta put a new PTO switch in. And I follow Joel on College Hill Farms, and he has the same exact tractor as me, and I saw that he had a video doing the same thing, and I looked up on the internet, and it seems like everyone has the problem. It's across the Mahindra line. That switch is the same on that. We have another Mahindra up at our other place, and it's the same exact switch. I'm surprised it hadn't gone bad in all the years we've had it, but we just don't use that tractor as much. But I use this one a lot. And I was close to getting a Kubota not too long ago, but I was able to fix this one. Actually, my friend's partner was able to fix an electric problem I had with it. And so you keep them, run them till the wheels fall off. Well, you're always fixing problems. So right now I'm getting ready to put the PTO switch in here. I've already taken the dash off. I need to take this off right here. So I need to go get a screwdriver. Now this is designed so that you could just take a screwdriver and pop that out and pull this whole harness out without taking the dash off. But from what I've understood, that doesn't always work. And I thought I was going to be able to rebuild this thing, so I rebuilt the old switch. Not a chance. So when I took this apart, it fell apart. There's no chance of rebuilding it. It fell all to pieces. It fell apart. So I mean, I've taken this dash off so many times. I can do this in my sleep. I still don't like to do it, but I've done it so much that it's not the worst thing in the world for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off. Let me move that camera so it's a little bit more on the dash and not me. It's this little bracket right here, which is the front of this PTO switch right here, and it should just pop right out of it. Well, should and what happens is two different things. Yeah, not so. Just pops right out of there. All right. There we go. It's a 2 screwdriver job. That pops out. This harness should just go right back on in there. Like that one came out, this one should just press back in. Yep. This in. This is the old one. So that just pops off like that. I'm going to get some contact cleaner. While I have this off, I might as well clean up in there a bit. And I'm lot of these electronics that quit working on me. Could be blown fuses or something that I'm not seeing, but I'm gonna just wow. Just give them a little shot of contact cleaner, some electric cleaner. I doubt it's going to bring them back because I've done this before. It did for a little while, bring them back to life, so maybe I'll get a few runs out of it. Never know. Might do something. That's the sender that works. That don't have any problems. And that's brand new, so alright. Back together like so. I believe that's how that goes back together. I don't think it would fit any other way. Alright. I'm noticing something here. That I need to clean up. There's some exposed wires. It looks like it's just from them rubbing on each other. I'm gonna see if I can get some electric tape in there and take care of that too. That's something I didn't see before. It's gonna be hard to do anything with these because it's such a small, limited area. Yeah. Best, but I think it's gonna suffice. They got some liquid tape you could paint on there. I don't have any, of course. I know my dad does, but he's far away from me right now. I need to buy some of that to have around. With this, of course, one of them's gonna have to be a real bear about it. Alright, I got them all separated. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tighten it up with this because they all have tape between them. So what I'm gonna do is do like here. That should keep them from wiggling. What it looks like they had was the vibration. With this thing vibrates like unlike anything else on the planet. this thing vibrates itself to pieces. So, there we go. That should be, you know, can this thing fit both ways? No, it has to fit like that. All right, cool. So it's on properly. All right. What I'm gonna do, get this thing back on. What I want to do, let's go ahead and give it a start and know that I got it fixed. The old one can go. The cap for that. Actually, I'm just going to put it back together, because if that doesn't fix it, then there's probably a burnt fuse or something somewhere that is the issue that I'll have to tend to. So, this is always a fun chore to get this side done, because the hydraulics are in the way, and you got to get 3 pieces lined up all together. Believe it, I think I got it on there. Wait, this side. Yeah, this is the one. Good. And this one I cracked off on that side. All right, I think I got them on. If anyone wants to know, this takes a 15/16 socket to get this nut off of the steering wheel, to take the steering wheel off, which I gotta go get. upside down. And this little cap goes like so. Alright, go pick up everything, throw this away, see if I'm back in business. Oh, I'm sitting on the key. Alright. Oh, that still don't work. This one kind of short with that. Problem fixed. See y'all later.